Mr. Bittu, okay, tell me about your experience of Rebel.
Okay, so firstly, thank you very much for giving me this wonderful opportunity. If I talk about my journey in Rebel, so definitely I took admission in September to early in 2023, and I have completed my 6 month. But apart from that, means if I talk about my journey, so it was a fantastic. I got many things. I had a beautiful journey. When I also means I have participated in parliamentary debate. It was awesome for me because after parliamentary debate I got a drastic change in my inside me. So I think it was very means parliamentary debate was very beneficial for me to learn new thing, and it means I completely reduce my hesitation. I right now I am able to talk with anyone. It means I don't have that kind of fear to talk, even whether she is girl or boy. So it was amazing.
Thank you, Bittu. Thank you, Bittu.
You're welcome.
Okay, Mr. Osan, okay, tell me about what is your journey of Rebel.
Yeah, so my journey of Rebel is quite good because when I joined Rebel, that time I used to be an introvert type of person. I was not able to speak a single word in front of people. Like when sir you called me on podium, so that time I I can't say a single word in front of the people because there was lots of people. And actually, as we all know that communication a skill is important for everyone, like whatever what kind of field you want to job, it doesn't matter. You need, if you want to be get success in your life, you want to get a job in your life, then you must have a good communication skill. So Rebel teach you how to be confident, how to communicate with people. So I feel confident after joining the Rebel, and it's a very amazing journey for me.
Okay, thank you, Roshan. Okay, Mr. Wade. Okay, what is the best part of the Rebel? Do you like most?
Okay, thank you, Mr. Safraj. So I will say the most and the best part of the Rebel, the kind of activity we get here. It completely gives a kind of opportunity where we can from the introvert we can become extrovert. So that is a very good part of the Rebel. The kind of the things we do, especially in the outdoor class, the kind of hesitation removal program sir conduct in so many places. So that is a very game changing and the kind of USP of Rebel. So I will say that is a thing.
Okay, Mr. Amish.
Yes.
How have been your experience of Rebel?
Yeah, so I remember when I joined Rebel in I think November 2022. So I was very awkward that there are many people, much people. So how will I say some things or how will I deliver my topic in front of them? But now I can see that I have very much changed in these 2 years. I can easily choose any topic and say any topic to the public. So I think these are the qualities Rebel will give you to improve.
Okay. Which activities do you like most?
The best activity is the outdoor classes. As we know that in a week there are two outdoor classes, one on Thursday and one on Saturday. So I enjoy the outdoor classes very lot. Why? Because there are very much people, all the batches people come together in the outdoor classes, and there are very much interesting topic which are given in outdoor classes. So I enjoy this a lot.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Bittu, what is the best part of indoor classes of Rebel?
In indoor definitely because I come at 6:30, so at the same time simultaneous 4 class will happen. Okay, so in that way we all are very disciplined. We can manage our class way in proper way. So that's a very means a great idea. Great means I can see in coaching, and only one Kanaya sir handle the whole Rebel. And if sir is absent, so apart from that, a student are able to manage everything in proper way. So that is the best part in Rebel. So I like most it.
Okay. Would you like to give any message to the newcomers, those who want to join Rebel?
Yeah, definitely. I would like to give all the people who need to learn communication skills. So definitely, I will suggest him to join Rebel because it is a platform. It is not just a coaching center. It is a platform. It is a organization where you got lots of chance to change yourself, to be a extrovert person in your life, to be confident person in your life. And lot we can see lots of rebel students have great success because of rebel. And I would like to say that if you want to upgrade yourself, then definitely you must join rebel. So
Okay, how Rebel is different from other institution?
So yeah, it is a very quite interesting thing, and it is an interesting question you have asked. The thing is that when you see the other institute, the other institute which in Patna, the kind of programs or the kind of things they usually conduct, it is very quite different from Rebel. Because when you talk about the communication skill, when you talk about the learning communication skill, so I will say Rebel is the best place to learn English, and it is one of the one of the best place to be here. Because when you come to the Rebel, it is not only about the delivering a speech, it is about the conversation. The sir give you many kind of conversation and situation where you will become a doctor, you will become a shopkeeper, and the way you handle the situation, it is most important thing. Because when you go to the real life, how can you deal with the real situation, how can you handle the situation and real things, so that the thing you will going to learn from the Rebel.
Okay, which things do you like to change in Rebel?
The thing is that I will say that everything is quite perfect in Rebel, but still I will say the outdoor class is quite USP of Rebel. So I will say suggest to sir that he need to increase the amount of outdoor conducting classes.
Okay. Okay, tell me. Okay, last question. Okay, would you like to give a message to a junior?
Okay, so I would like to give only one message to the juniors. So you are in the best place, and you got one of the best teacher in the Patna for the communication skill. So just do the hard work, and whatever he is saying, like when I joined, so you used to tell me that sir used to tell me that work hard on your grammar and all. But that time I don't used to understand. But now I'm understanding what is the meaning of grammar. So whatever sir is telling you, it is only for your own good. So you will work on that. So we're only going to benefit in your future.
Okay, thank you, Ved.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.